Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my rant. Now this rant goes out to the government, the students of the institution within I teach, and all those parents of these students, those stupid parents of these students that I teach. It's really sticky for Jamaica. But anyways, welcome to my rant. My name is Mr. Cox. For those of you parents, students, members of the government who knows me, know that I'm a very fond teacher of the language Patois, aka Jamaican Creole. So there's no doubt in your mind that this rant will be in Patois. Now, you, Mr. Government Man, you promised me a 6% increase, right? I used to tell you, brother, you promised me a 6% increase in the brother, right? So we don't want 6%, we want more than that. We want a 25%, brother, reject it. Yet still, you come tell me say, you come forward with it in this month, say I'll give you 6% out there, so we don't want 6% as teachers them. We don't want no 6%. We don't want it. Brother, look here. You think 6% can buy one of them books you have right there, so? You think get 6% can do that? Come like you want me. But anyways, another 6%. Right? Another reason why the I and I them two now go to school, you know. Cause them teach about my fellow teachers that deal with English, you know. My fellow teachers. You understand? It's a hard to deal with them pitney, you know. Them pitney are not in them sense, you know. I don't know how them parents are keep up with them, you know. Listen, on the pitney them duck. On the pitney them dance. Alright. Now so them dance. But listen, man. Them for have little more sense. Have little more knowledge when it come to the school work. Them not think straight. Them a come to school, them a eye growing up and done in the class. Look here. For the little days, no, I put on this far. For the little days, them, we want to go to school as teachers, right? They picking them happy. Them sing, them clap, them cheer. What? Who don't teach you there? Lockdown. Them picking there no sense. If a teacher now come to school, why you was a picnic for though? Now take up a book. And if you are the leader of the class might tell the prefect can come in. When I assign no part of prefect. Lockdown. Anyways, I assign enough people. You take out the book them. You teach the class. Help the class. Focus. Not because teacher there. Teacher not after their school food to learn. You not go on the bag of food. She start like dump and cheer. Oh, sir. Alright. Be sure know why when you pick them. Make it be one of the reasons why we not go to school and why we want more money as teachers. Look on the video your eye.
Hey.
Hey. We take a girl man for the dick.
Hey.
We stop going school for the dick.
Hey.
Public hospital for the dick.
Hey.
I'm a prince fan for the dick.
Hey.
Me was gonna die for the pussy.
Hey.
Me will climb my money for the pussy.
Hey.
Me jump a fence for the pussy.
Hey.
Me will check my knee for the pussy.
Hey.
But me now put my tongue in the pussy.
Say I tell me, say no, as a parents. Love this so far. As a parents, right? You see your pitney. I sing about what them do for the D and what them now go do with the poo and the P. And what them people about your eye? As a parents, see your pitney do that. I talk about what them do for the P and what them now do for the A and the D. He said, me if you take my order time, brother, Go teach them pitney here. When I sing what them do them something for the book. Them will ask principal.
I'm a prince fan for daddy.
Right higher. Boom flicker split higher.
Public has split for the day.
Pitney get on top of my nerves, you know. Pitney get on top of my nerves, you know. But all I can say, you see them exam with the eye set. When I get them same way, you know. When I get them same way, remember, a teacher once told me this. It's coming. Every time I say it in a class, I'm laugh. It's coming. You think so the government member there? And your parents them, you praise them and watch, you think so they know though, we as teachers. You think so me never take my hard-earned time to teach on the patwa? You could have chat right now. No for no English, you know. But before me chat enough. I open to hear the message, I open to see the video where them pitney I put forth in a hey. I open to see. I open to see what I go on. Anyways, I go relax and text my wife. See if I can get some smurf. Cause I not go to school today. Make it plain and straight. You don't not see me today at school. I don't talk. One more for the road. Yo, look at man. Go ahead. Left. Lift up. Lift clutch. Anyways, what's up people? It's about title here. Yeah. So, more open to see the difference by yourself. But I'm going to tell you anyways, let me black all the mic. I use that camera yet. Yo, you have to lift clutch, you know. Anyways guys, so reason why no, who no feeling no bad? Who no feeling no bad? Go sit down. Go ahead. Who teaching for back? Who teaching for back? Go ahead. Anyways, the reason why I wasn't uploading for you guys is because I didn't have a yo. You see why I wasn't uploading for you guys is because I didn't have a good camera. And I didn't want to film. I didn't want to film on my phone anymore. So I was trying to get a camera. Now you can see the difference in the quality. You can hear me better. You can see me better. So guys, I'm still on the out now. More than 1,000 subscribers people. So see me work on the quality. I work on getting the quality. I work on getting the quality better for you guys. So this dog got taste of faith. Anyway, subscribe. 1,000 subscribers, please help me get reach there. I know I can do it. Get quality phone now. So I start upload more videos phone. Just don't fret man. Them a come. Trust me, them a come. Just subscribe. Tai out.